Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the disposable dust bag on your Narwal Freo X devices. This is the Freo X Plus. It'll also work with the Freo X Ultra. If you're interested in any of these Narwal devices or you want to find out more about them, the links to them will be in the video description, as well as a link to some replacement disposable dust bags, which you see right here. So first things first, we got to remove the old dustbin. In this case, it's going to be the spare dustbin. Yes, these devices come with both options for you to use. So we can just take out our dustbin just like so. And then we can go ahead, we can take our new dust bag and we can slide it right in, and it's that simple. You're all set and ready to go, and all the contents will start to collect in here, and once it's full, you can easily remove it and dispose of it. Right out of the box with our Freo X Plus, this device did come with a couple dust bag guardians, basically powerful purification and long-lasting freshness, so these can be placed inside your disposable dust bag. Just for fun, I went ahead, I opened one up to see what was inside, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but we have a white powdery substance in there. Let me pour a little bit out on my hand. It kind of looks like baking soda right there, but that's what we have inside of these. You're not going to open it up like we did right here. You're just going to go ahead and remove the plastic transparent bag that is covering it. So you open the bag up just like so, and then per the instructions, you'll just gently fold this like so. And then we can put it inside the bag right there. And there we go. Put the cover back on and you're all set and ready to go to start cleaning.